Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're looking at the top 5 camera apps better than your stock camera. I'll show you the apps that give you more creative control and professional results. Now let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have VSCO, rated 4.2 out of 5 stars with over 1 million reviews. This app is not just a photo editor, but also a creative community where photographers and creators can connect and grow. Here are 3 standout features. Edit with AI and 200 plus presets, instantly transform your photos with professional quality looks. Master photo and video edits, giving you precise control with tools like grain, HSL, dodge and burn. Shape the feel of film, emulate timeless film styles for a vintage or cinematic look. Now let's explore the app's interface. The feed is where you see inspiring posts from other creators. Over in Discover, you can browse curated content and trending edits. The Studio tab is your personal space to edit and manage all your projects. On your profile, you can showcase your best work to the community. And finally, Spaces allow you to collaborate, share galleries, and get feedback from fellow photographers. VSCO blends powerful editing tools with a vibrant creative community, making it an excellent choice for anyone wanting more than just a standard camera app. At number 4 on our list, we have Filmic Pro, a powerful camera app with a rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars and over 16,000 reviews. Designed to transform your smartphone into a professional cinema camera, Filmic Pro has even been used in award-winning films, music videos, and high-profile projects. Here are 3 standout features. Full manual control, giving you precision over every capture setting, professional quality footage, trusted by filmmakers and content creators worldwide, advanced true to log access for maximum flexibility in post-production. Now, let's take a quick look at the interface. Tapping the camera shutter gives you a clean and responsive way to start recording instantly. Switching to Pro mode opens up advanced controls for exposure, focus, and frame rate. The customizable function button lets you assign your favorite tools for quick access. And finally, the microphone option brings detailed audio controls right to your fingertips, perfect for capturing high-quality sound. Filmic Pro combines powerful features with a clean, professional interface, making it one of the best choices for anyone serious about mobile filmmaking. At number 3 on our list, we have Snapchat. With a rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars and more than 36 million reviews, this app is one of the most popular ways to stay connected while sharing fun and creative moments with friends. Here are 3 standout features. Snap, instantly capture and share the moment with quick photos or videos. Chat, enjoy fast and fun messaging with friends, including group chats and video calls. Lenses, explore millions of augmented reality effects to bring your snaps to life. Now, let's take a quick look at the interface. At the center, you'll see the camera button where you can tap for a photo or hold for a video. Just above, the filter selection lets you swipe through fun filters to enhance your snaps. The flash button gives you quick control over lighting, making sure your shots are clear in any condition. And finally, the camera switcher flips between the front and rear cameras, perfect for selfies or capturing what's around you. At number 2 on our list, we have Camera for Android. This app holds a solid 4.4 rating out of 5 with over 264,000 reviews on the Play Store. It's a lightweight yet powerful native style camera app built to help you capture photos and videos quickly and with great quality. Here are 3 standout features. HD professional camera, take crisp and clear high resolution photos with ease. HD video recording, record smooth and sharp videos right from your phone. HD panorama, capture wide and stunning panoramic shots with smart stitching. Now let's explore the app's interface. Starting with the photo mode, you can instantly snap still pictures with just one tap. Switching to video mode lets you record in full HD with simple controls. The 3 dots menu opens quick settings like timers, picture quality, and white balance. With the flashlight option, you can toggle flash modes for different lighting conditions. And finally, the aspect ratio adjust button lets you change how your photo frames are displayed from widescreen to square. At number 1 on our list, we have Open Camera. This is a completely free and open source camera app rated 4.2 out of 5 stars with over 274,000 reviews on the Play Store. It's designed to give you professional level control over your Android camera without any ads. Here are 3 standout features. Auto level option keeps your photos perfectly straight no matter how you hold your phone. Remote controls, capture shots hands-free with timers, voice countdowns, and even noise triggers. full manual controls, adjust ISO, exposure, focus, and even shoot in RAW for professional flexibility. Now let's walk through the app's interface. At the center, you'll find the camera shutter button, giving you instant access to capture photos or start recording video. Tapping on settings opens up a wide range of customization, from image quality to advanced controls like histograms and focus peaking. The 3 dots menu reveals quick options such as grids, crop guides, and extra tools for shooting. Finally, the Adjust Plus Minus button lets you easily fine-tune exposure, ensuring your shots come out just right. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more app breakdowns.